Time to take out the trash. Kailangan natin bumaba pa. Guess what, guys? Bumalik na ako sa Delicious Diet. Let's check out kung ano yung food today. This is chicken sandwich. Breakfast, ano siya? Sandwich from Delicious Diet. Yummy. Now here, waiting at the post office. May nintay akong parcel. This is the Manila Post Office. And merong aso sa labas. Super cute. Sana magising siya para malaro ko siya. That doggy. It's from Belgium. Laundry time. Try ko tong coin laundry. I'm finally home, guys. I'm so sorry kung mahina yung boses ko. It's because I have like sore throat, kaya parang mahirapan ako magsalita at sumasama yung pakiramdam ko. I'm finally home. I went to Manila. Finally, nag-laundry ako, guys. Sobrang okay niya because 1 hour lang ang tinagal. Self-service kasi na laundry yun. At tapos na lahat. Super bango. Tapos na lahat. As in, super bilis lang. It only cost me 120. Sobrang mura. Compared to 5 days, diba, girl? Ang dami kong package. And nagdala na rin ako ng cortina ko. Kasi nga, diba, ayaw nila ng purple curtains. Okay, I have a bunch of packages over here. May langaw. Huwag ka bumasok sa room. Ayan, I received the package from... There's a card. From Janina, owner ng Girl Stuff. Wow. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, we have chocolates. We have the newest collection yata. Tama ba? Camo As You Are. So yeah, bagong colors ng Girl Stuff. And we have wine. Merlot. Oh, I love Merlot. Perfect. Thank you so much. Pero itong chocolate to kailangan next time ko magkaingin kasi ang sakit sa lalamunan. Ang sakit na lalamunan ko, promise. And then guys, ang pinunta ko talaga sa Manila, hindi ko pa napapakita, pero this is super exciting. This came from Judy and Benji. As in, Judy Travis and Benji Travis. Galing US, guys. So as you all know, if you're an avid viewer of Judy and Benji, December is coming up. And I'm gonna be part of it. So excited. Okay, they sent over the t-shirt. Super ganda, guys. At totoo yung sinabi nila na ang ganda ng material. Di ba sabi ni Judy, super ganda ng material. Look at that. Made in Dominican Republic, guys. Ang ganda. Swear. $25 lang. Free shipping worldwide. Bongga. And then, they also sent over the hoodie. Thank you so much, Judy and Benji. Super ganda, promise. I tried this earlier. Ang ganda rin ng ano niya, tela. Same tela siya, actually. Oh, it's so perfect. They also included a letter which made me smile a lot talaga, guys. Okay, sabi dito, say, thank you for participating in December this year. I'm just so glad we kept in touch after our first meetup in Manila. As in, first meetup nila yun. We're so proud of all your endeavors throughout the years. Keep it up, girl, and see you on December. P.S. I got you a smaller size since US sizes run different. Judy and Benji. Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much. And then, nag-save the date na sila. Yan. I'm so happy and I'm really, really excited about December. Grabe. Love it. Every year ko itong sinusubaybayan. Kaloka. Thank you, Judy and Benji! Ang mali ko lang, hindi ko nasama sa laundry itong hoodie at shirt. Diba, sayang. Sana na masuot ko na. Anyway, nakapambahay lang ako today. As in, super pambahay lang. I slept really early last night. Like 11 AM. Kala ko nga pagising ko okay na ako. Pero grabe, hindi pa rin. So anyway, we have another package here. It's from CoverGirl. Love it. Sige, open ko yan. Actually, gusto ko mag-live ng konti lang. Para nga ipakita yung December shirts. Anyway, itong dalawang to, hindi ko sinama sa load ko kanina sa laundry kasi nga, colored siya, diba? And I was afraid na mamansyahan and all of that. Pero okay lang yan. That laundromat is in Manila. Pero I searched nearby. Parang meron din ganung laundromat sa may Taguig area. So, I'm gonna go check it out next week. And then, I asked my mom to pack the white curtains. So right now, we're gonna remove that and then replace it with this one. Even the one sa bedroom. Kasi nga, sobrang kitang-kita na purple. Ako lang nag-isang purple. Anyway, we're gonna change it first. Okay, napalitan ko na. Pero hindi pa yan permanent kasi I think I'm gonna put in blinds. Mas okay siguro kapag blinds, no? And this one naman is the one sa bedroom. Hindi ko rin siya masyadong gusto kasi may, ano na to, mahimul-mul tong ano na to. Anyway, we're gonna put in the bed covers pala. Sayang, hindi ko nasama sa laundry to. Bale, sa susunod. Fluffy pillows. This makes me so satisfied, guys. Sobrang linis, tsaka sobrang bango niya. Medyo naging ano lang siya, faded yellow. Look at that. Pero okay lang din. I'm still gonna buy extra covers kasi diba, when people are gonna like sleep over, pag kulang yung ano ko, kama ko, pwede kong gawing other bedroom yung kabila with a sofa bed. So, yun. Speaking of sleepovers, we're gonna have our first sleepover next week. I'm doing another Facebook live session, guys. So I opened packages with these awesome people, and yan, bongga-bongga. Naka-face mask na ako kasi I'm getting ready to go to sleep. Pero after the Facebook live, I still have to edit and then answer some emails, edit today's vlog, and then yun, bongga. Done with the Facebook live session, guys. So I announced yung December nga. Tapos yung meet and greet happening on November 25 sa Oracle Clinic. And then also, kaka-confirm lang, pupunta kami ng Singapore! Yay! December 1 to 2. But I'm gonna request for an earlier flight para magala ko yung Singapore. So I'm so excited! Another country off my list. I haven't been to Singapore yet, so I'm so excited. And that is it for the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!